Welcome everyone. Kusal Matthew of Kusa's Key. This is a how-to episode that's just going to talk about 8 steps that will help you in letting go any old wounds, any mental blocks, and just start working on gaining confidence and creating new experiences. So, 8 steps. In a quick gist, recognizing any limiting beliefs that you hold. Set daily goals and challenges that take you outside of your comfort zone and push yourself daily. What small steps can you actually do to achieve those goals? So here are the goals, and then how are you going to break it down? Celebrate those quick victories. Then reflect on the experience you gain from starting to achieving and all the failing and all the pivoting in between. How can you do it better? Then surround yourself with people that, one, will tell you the truth, that will tell you what you need, who will also celebrate with you and won't bring you down. Surround yourself with positive people. I can't say that enough. Focus on the energy of right now and focus on what you can do and let go of those old beliefs bringing you down. And then 2, do not burn out. Do some self-care and make sure you're taking care of yourself. I have burnt out plenty of times in my career. That is something I'm very good about not doing, but I am still very high drive and I'm able to achieve and do a lot of output. I'm high energy, but the way I do it is I'm very strategic.